Legal disclaimer: do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader, or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Hello, Flat Earth Trading Society members. It is trade 17. We only have a couple minutes left before the close, so I'm going to be rushing to get this trade done. Now, what are we doing here? If this is your first time here, we are saying the biggest conspiracy of trading is that all of the focus is put on the entry. And we're saying, look, that's not the most important part of the trade. The most important part of the trade is the exit. So we are using random methods to get into trades, long, short, we don't care. And all we're trying to do is make money off of the exits. We're going to sell our losers and hold our winners, and over a big batch of trades, we're going to see if we can make some money. Last trade, we did the top 10 of a particular sector. Well, this week, we are doing the bottom 10. So we are going to spin the wheel, and it's going to choose a sector for us. And once we choose that sector, we're going to spin another wheel, and it's labeled 1 through 10. And so whatever it is, we're going to go back and find the worst, again, whatever it is. If it's number 3 in the utility sector, we're going to list top to bottom, the worst to the best over the past month. And we're going to take the third worst one in the list. So let's jump into it. So here is our random wheel generator, and we've got all of the sectors listed over here. So we're just going to go ahead and click to spin and see what we get. And remember, we're now going to pick the bottom of the barrel. So let's see what it is. Is it industrials or real estate? It is industrials. All right. So now we're going to go over to the next wheel, listed 1 through 10. Let's see. We're going to do this number of the worst. So, oh my goodness, that is amazing. So when we did top 10, we got number 1, and we got bottom 10, it was also number 1. So let's go into our FinViz screener, and we're going to put in the industrial sector. We're going to put the average volume over 1 million shares, and the price must be over $10. And we're going to sort by performance, and we're going to sort by it was the past month we did. We did the past month. So the weakest stock over the past month, the number 1 is SPR, Spirit Aerosystems. So that is going to be our trade. We already know it's going to be a short, so let's get all of our other numbers. Now I'm rushing a bit because we literally have 10 minutes before the market closes. I want to get this order in before the market closes. So current price is $15.15. Current ATR is 116. Sorry, current ATR is 97. So 15.15 is a price, 97 is the ATR. Let's go ahead and build this trade. Here's our trade ticket. It is September 26, 2023. The symbol is SPR, the worst performing stock over the past month in the industrial sector. We are short, current price 15.15. We don't know size yet because we got to figure out where our stop is going to be. ATR is 97 cents. So the initial stop is 2x ATR. Since we're short, it's going to be 2x ATR above the price. So that brings us to $17.09. So $1.94 is going to be our trailing stop. The only thing we need to figure out now is our position size. Let's go figure that out. Our account value is literally back to where it started, 100,000. I'm just going to keep it rounded up to 100,000. Our risk is going to be 1%. 1% is the risk. The entry was 15.15. The stop loss was up above at 17.09. Let's go ahead and just take this all down to 0. We don't care about that. Let's hit the calculate button. It looks like we are going to be short 516 shares. That is where we're going to be. That gives us a $1,000 exactly on the nose. So 516 shares. Let's go make the trade. All right, let's jump in the trade. We'll take a look at positions later since we're running out of time here. We got 6 minutes left, so not so tight. I've had much tighter here. Okay, so SPR, we are going to sell. And we're going to do 516 shares. That is going to be our position size, 516 shares. And again, right now, bid is 1517, offer is 1518. I'm going to go ahead and put 1515 just to make sure we get filled. I'm sure we'll get above that. And I'm going to go ahead and attach our trailing stop right here while we make the trade. Our trailing stop is going to be $1.94. Make sure that's good till canceled. Let's go ahead and hit submit. And that order is in. You see our fill price is $15.17.3. So $15.17 is our fill. Let's go ahead and fill out the rest of our order ticket, and this trade is in the books. Real quick, it's kind of interesting. After 17 trades, we're back to where we started. Right now, you can see our positions. We are up on an Apple trade. We're down on an SN trade. Again, we're going to do at least 100 of these trades. Remember, we're trying to make sure we chop off the left side of that bell curve, take the worst trades that we pick, and just cut those off at $1,000 loss. And we're going to hold. We're going to get 3 or 4 absolute bangers, just absolutely fantastic trades in this round of 100. And we're going to hold those for thousands and thousands and thousands of profit. That is going to be how we make money in this experiment. It's not by the little ones for us, the little ones against us. We're making money by those big ones that will come eventually. So here we are. Our size is 516 shares. We've got our 2x target at 1321. If it gets down to there, we'll move the stop to 1.5x. If it gets down to 1127, we'll move it to 1x. And we just simply are going to follow the rules we set up that we're going to apply to every single trade, because that is the experiment. Can we make money solely on our position management strategy, not on the entry, but on the exit itself? What do we do next? Nothing. We can watch if we want. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. This doesn't matter. This trade doesn't matter over the next 100 trades. It doesn't matter. When it does matter is when I screw it up. What doesn't matter is when I just let the system run its course. Thanks for joining me. That is Trade 17.